We're here today at the Osthoff Resort in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin. This is a beautiful lakefront resort. Last year, we treated about 35 to 40,000 square feet of roof. We saved the resort approximately $300,000 compared to roof replacement by extending the life of their asphalt roof. I heard this year from board members and some of the other staff here, the roof that we applied Roof Maxx on last year sustained no damage during Wisconsin's winter storms. However, the other two buildings sustained thousands of dollars in damage. Multiple shingles were replaced along with other repair work. This year we've been asked to come back and we've been tasked with an even bigger project, just under 80,000 square feet of roof, to apply our Roof Maxx product to put the oil back into the shingle, bring back the shingle's flexibility, and give the resort 5 more years of life on the roof. We've been in touch with Osthoff employees here during the project. They're incredibly happy at what they're seeing. They're able to see that we're returning the color of their roof, providing better performance for their roof, and we're already talking about future plans to come back again for a 3rd year. The resort is just covered in amazing landscaping. We have guests that are inside and out of the building all day long. And knowing that we're applying a safe product that's safe for people, pets, plants, the environment, is really big for us. Knowing that we don't have much disturbance going on around here. We don't create a lot of noise. We're not disruptive like roofing companies. We don't leave behind a mess. And we simply put the oils back into the shingle, giving them more life, more flexibility. Whether you own a residential house or a commercial property, the numbers just don't lie. There's a significant cost savings related to Roof Maxx versus roof replacement.